Da, da, da. Look as close as you want.
This is really bad.
Where are you going? I just wrapped the front grille on my wife's Mustang Mache Premium with a vinyl wrap to make it look more like the Mache GT. She asked me to do this. I'm about to ask her to come in and inspect the work, but before I show it to my wife, let me show it to you so you can see what she's about to see. This is the front grille. Now this has a wrap on it to make it look more like a GT. And from this view, it probably looks pretty good to you. You guys are like, wow, Anton, you did an amazing job on this. I wish I knew how you did this because I'd like to do it too. Well, if you're wondering how to do this, I did make a full-length video walking you through the process of how I actually did this front grille using a lot of the tools that you see right here. We had some vinyl wrap, we had a wrap kit, we had some plastic razor blades, which my son left out, we had some squeegees, we had a glove, which I never used, a sharp knife, a cutting pad. We had that all to custom make this grille right here. Now, from a distance, it doesn't look too bad, but when you get nice and close, our edges over here, I'm really happy with those. That looks good. And this looks good, but this Mustang logo, it's so bad. Look at this, the edges are peeling off of it. I just did this like a couple minutes ago. It won't stick anymore. I used like soapy water to try and form this and get it. It's so bad. Like this whole chunk right here, it's not even stuck on here. This whole flap, not stuck at all. Look how bad that is. It's so bad. But I'm gonna put this up like this and I'm gonna show my wife. Let's see if she's nice to me or if she rips it off or tells me to redo it. Let's see what she does. Before we get too far into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. If you've seen some of our content already and have not subscribed, we want you to join our community. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get back to the video. Da, da, da. Look as close as you want.
Wow.
Did you gouge them?
No, there's little dimples in the bumper where those, I think that's for front license plate.
Okay.
It's jaggedy there. I can fix that.
Wrinkle, wrinkle, wrinkle.
What?
Bubble, bubble. This is really bad.
What?
You did your best.
I did my best. Ethan helped me.
Doing like 1,000 more and maybe you get a really good feel.
I don't have any more, but this was all the vinyl. This was $15 of vinyl and I don't have enough to make another.
$15.
$15. Look, I have enough to do half of one more. So do you like it? It's nice, right? It's gonna look really good out in the sun.
It would
And
look
10 feet away.
It would look really
You might need to be 20 feet away. Where are you going?
Do you just go over the Mustang logo and then drive around it?
I did.
That's what you're supposed to do, but I don't think you...
I need to see if I can find some activator that like basically glues this back down, and then it might...
Don't do that, just restart.
Should I do a Mustang logo delete?
I'll rip it.
No! No!
You have
No!
to restart.
I'm not restarting. Even this, why is that peeling up? Because...
All these edges here are gonna start peeling up.
No,
Where
they
there's
stay.
bubbles.
They'll cure. Takes 24 hours to cure. Don't peel it. This looks pretty straight, but it's not. It's curved like two different directions. It's curved this way and it's curved this way. So you got to try and shrink the vinyl. Oh, that's so bad. Gamsgo. Are you paying too much for Netflix, Spotify, Disney Plus, Crunchyroll, Duolingo, Canva, or Adobe? Gamsgo has you covered with premium shared subscriptions for a fraction of the price directly from the distributor. Yes, Gamsgo is the shared premium experience that you've been looking for that saves a ton of money. I personally use Gamsgo for my Netflix, my Spotify, my Disney Plus, and my Crunchyroll subscriptions, and I have saved tons of money by switching to Gamsgo. This is truly an amazing deal. You don't want to miss it. Click the link down below to grab your deal. So actually, she was a lot nicer to me than I thought she would be. It turns out my son, right there, gave her a heads up that it looked really bad and that she needed to be nice. So she was trying her best to be nice. She realized that I tried really, really hard, but it still really sucks. It's so bad. I feel so bad. So I'm gonna see if I can save this. I don't think there's any saving this, but I will see if there's a better way to do this. If you guys have some ideas of how to do this, DIY, I don't wanna buy one from somebody. I wanna make my own and install it. If you have a better way to apply it or to make this stick, let me know in the comments down below. I'm not good at this. I'm trying to figure it out, and I wanna show you guys how I go along the way. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video, and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.